Hello everyone, and welcome back to Investing Guide. In August 2021, Cardano reached an extremely close target to its highest record at $2.42. Cardano used to be the fifth largest cryptocurrency based on its market cap, but lo and behold, after nearly a 60% increase in the value of the ADA token, Cardano stands proudly at being the third largest token after overtaking even BNB, Binance's native coin. This news has excited many investors worldwide, and even the critics who were once unsure of Cardano's progress at the start have excitedly hopped in on the Cardano train. A piece of exciting news has just been leaked about Cardano, and its progress has interested so many people. Curious to know more about the latest news about Cardano? Well, you better stick around until the end of the video so that you can know all the secrets that got leaked. Cardano ADA extended the stunning weeks-long rally early Friday morning, soaring 10% in volume in a matter of hours in the token, which last week became the world's third largest cryptocurrency, swelling amid anticipation for a coming software upgrade that could help the token compete with Ethereum. On August 19, 2021, the Cardano ADA token was valued at $2.42, right below its all-time high of $2.46 from mid-May. Investors have adopted a bullish strategy for the token again after it had been continuously dipping in value for the last 2 months. Cardano's market value cap has increased from $42 billion to $69 billion, which resulted in a rise in value from $1.47 to $2.42. The 60% increase in value has shocked several people. Compared to rivals, the ADA price has underperformed in the last 2 weeks, but Cardano's orderly climb indicates the rally is more sustainable than others. And while it may be easy to say that it can be seen as to why the Cardano price has risen by more than 100% in only a few weeks, various other factors play a major role in boosting the coin's value. The increase in value is due to a variety of reasons. First off, the main reason is that other coins, Bitcoin and Ethereum in particular, have been in a strong bullish trend as well. As a result, all other altcoins like Binance Coin and VeChain have also risen. Secondly, Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano and the CEO of Input Output Hong Kong, IOHK for short, the blockchain research and engineering, recently revealed 2 of its biggest secrets. IOHK is working with Ethiopia's Ministry of Education to build the world's biggest blockchain project, a universal student credential system. It's also developing systems for ranked, choice, voting, and researching some of the most complex issues in cryptocurrencies. Finally, earlier this year, Hoskinson had teased a September network upgrade, named Alonzo, that's going to enable the Cardano blockchain to process smart contracts, self-executing agreements between buyers and sellers that have helped Ethereum dominate the booming $100 billion decentralized finance industry, or DeFi for short. The token has been on a steady tear this month, soaring as high as 85% as Ethereum's price has risen to its 3-month high in recent weeks as a result of the software upgrade. But Cardano, a much younger network, which still has a long way to go in terms of acceptance, has drawn doubters like former billionaire hedge fund manager Mike Novogratz. Here are some of the key facts that you've got to know. According to crypto statistics website CoinMarketCap, Cardano ADA surged more than 14% to $2.49 at 12:52 a.m. EDT on Friday, its highest point since a record of $2.46 on May 16th, putting its market value beyond $75 billion. As of 11 p.m. EDT on Thursday, more than $8 billion worth of ADA tokens had changed hands in 24 hours, the biggest one-day volume since a price spike in May. Novogratz, a staunch Bitcoin bull, said in a tweet after ADA became the world's third largest cryptocurrency this month that the token's rise was a mystery to him, and that it's a platform that's struggling to gain traction among software developers who create the programs required for a cryptocurrency's adoption. Hoskinson, who also co-founded Ethereum, retaliated to Novogratz in a tweet claiming that Cardano uses less energy to execute transactions than Ethereum and insulting Novogratz's expertise in traditional banking. Cardano's value soared in May when entrepreneur Elon Musk expressed his displeasure with Bitcoin and stated that Tesla's no longer going to accept it owing to the significant environmental impact of the huge quantities of power required to mine new coins. Although the crypto market has yet to fully recover, ADA has soared to new highs as investors rush to more environmentally friendly coins. Cardano, according to Hoskinson, requires just 6 gigawatt-hours of energy per year, or less than 0.1% of Bitcoin's estimated 115.85 terawatt-hours. The token lost over 60% of its value when the larger market crashed this summer, but it's recently begun to outperform Bitcoin and Ether. ADA is the best performing top 5 cryptocurrency of this year, with gains of 1,030% for Binance Coin, 330% for Ether, 59% for Bitcoin. The coin, on the other hand, is extremely vulnerable to the enormous volatility of the larger crypto markets. In early 2018, governmental crypto crackdowns ushered in a year-long bear market for the young sector, and ADA dropped nearly 90% in less than 2 months. The larger cryptocurrency market rose less than 4% in response to Cardano's late-night gain, hovering at around a total worth of $2 trillion. In May, the market surpassed $2.5 trillion, but has since fallen due to fears about Chinese laws prohibiting cryptocurrency mining. ADA has been the most highly sought-after cryptocurrency by traders because of its relatively low price and great marketing technique of explaining it as a potential Ethereum killer. We've recently seen the Solana blockchain ecosystem start to take shape with DeFi and NFTs. Yet despite the fact that Cardano has no clear use cases yet, its market valuation is over 4 times that of Sol's $20 billion. Cardano is ridden on the backs of conjecture and the promise of a fantastic and open development team. In an interview with Forecast News, Trent Barnes, principal of ZeroCap, a digital asset firm for private clients, said Cardano's impending hard fork, Alonzo, as well as the broader Gogoen upgrade have sparked a lot of interest in the project. The introduction of smart contracts to the network, which has beaten Ethereum to the punch and makes it an appealing alternative. Input-Output Hong Kong's lead Cardano developers recently revealed a timetable for the Alonzo upgrade, aiming for a final release date of September 12th, which will enable smart contract capabilities. Smart contracts enable DeFi apps to operate across networks, which have previously primarily been in the realm of the Ethereum network, as had the minting of non-fungible coins. Smart contracts will be integrated into Cardano for the first time, bringing both features to the mainnet for the first time as well. It's also going to have an ERC20 converter, which will allow ETH tokens to function on the network. With the Alonzo update, the Cardano network may finally be able to compete with Ethereum in the DeFi sector. Imagine what real-world DeFi transactions could accomplish if speculation can drive the price of ADA to a new all-time high. CoinShares, Europe's largest digital asset fund manager, may have also fueled Cardano's price with its weekly digital asset fund flow report and an announcement by crypto exchange Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong earlier today. Armstrong said on Twitter that the publicly traded exchange will be acquiring more than $500 million in cryptocurrencies in the near future to add to its holdings. Coinbase's CEO stated that the company had got board approval to add more crypto assets to its balance sheet and that the company will spend 10% of future revenues. Cardano has also been educating local developers on how to create solutions for local problems in regions with no financial access. With several projects already in the way for creating a digital identity solution, Cardano's growing success with the masses who have no access to proper financial institutions, let alone are computer literate, have already struck the hearts of many philanthropists all over the world. The latest predictions made by various financial experts and writers show that the analysis of Cardano looks beyond good. With its growth, Cardano could hit $10 even before the year is over and $15 by the end of 2021. We could be looking at a $50 per token value of Cardano by the end of 2026 after 5 years and close to $500 by the end of the decade. Yuri Maza, head of data analytics at crypto trading platform CEX.io, stated that any rise in the price of cryptocurrencies is either directly triggered by favorable news pushing up sentiments among purchasers or a growth in line with the broader market trend. Cardano's long-awaited Alonzo update is another cause for investors to buy the coin. Cardano has been called various names, ranging from the game-changing coin to the Ethereum killer, to the coin with the explosive potential. But just imagine, there's already been a 60% increase even before most of Cardano's features are fully developed. So what could it possibly be like 5 or 10 years down the line when this third generation coin will be ruling the DeFi world, or potentially even the whole crypto market? And that's all the time we've got today. Hope you enjoyed our video, and as always, remember that this in no way counts as financial advice. If you want to gain more foresight into ADA and Cardano, seek your nearest financial expert and do your own research as well. Thanks for watching, and while you're here, go ahead and click on one of these two videos on your screen. See you there!